The truth about sneezing. Can it really break your ribs? Sneezing is a natural reflex that can be quite powerful. While it's unlikely to break ribs in a healthy person, there are some factors to consider. One, pre-existing condition. If you have pre-existing condition like osteoporosis, brittle bone, or a rib injury, sneezing could potentially cause a rib fracture. Two, forceful sneezing. A very forceful sneezing might put pressure on ribs, but is still unlikely to cause a fracture on a healthy person. Why it might seem that sneezing break ribs. One, muscle strain. Sneezing can cause sudden intense muscle contraction, which might lead to muscle strain or discomfort in the chest or ribs area. Two, existing rib injury. If you have an existing rib injury, a sneeze might exacerbate the pain or discomfort. Reducing discomfort. One, practice good posture when sneezing.